Jambo. Today we're going on an adventure to the beautiful island of Zanzibar, located just off the coast of Tanzania in the Indian Ocean. Zanzibar is known for its rich culture, its blend of African, Arab, and Indian influences, and of course, its world-famous turquoise waters. But what truly sets this island apart is the warmth of the people who call it home. From the moment you arrive, you can feel their hospitality, their joy, and their welcoming spirit. Situated on the stunning northwest coast of the island, our top pick for accommodations is the exceptional Gold Zanzibar Resort. This dreamy property sits directly on Kendwa Beach, one of the most beautiful and unique beaches in all of Zanzibar. What makes Kendwa so special is that it's one of the only non-tidal beaches on the island. The water stays calm, clear, and swimmable all day long. No major tide changes and no long walks to reach the ocean. It's truly perfect for families, kids, couples, and anyone who loves to swim in calm, shallow water. It's exactly the kind of beach you picture when you dream of Zanzibar. When you stay at Gold Zanzibar, you'll find a wide range of room options, from peaceful garden view suites to stunning beachfront retreats and luxury private villas. As a family of four, we were truly impressed by how beautifully designed our room was. Not only was it incredibly spacious, but it had everything we needed for a comfortable stay, including a secure safe, a refrigerator for drinks and snacks, and plenty of storage so we could completely unpack and settle in. Each bed comes with its own mosquito netting, which is such a simple but important touch, especially when traveling with kids. And the bathrooms were modern and clean, with a separate walk-in shower and large spa-style bathtub that felt like a luxury at the end of each day. What stood out the most was the cleanliness. Every corner of the room felt fresh and well cared for, and the daily housekeeping was exceptional. They went above and beyond to make sure we had everything we needed. And coming back to perfectly refreshed rooms each afternoon and evening made the stay feel even more relaxing. Now let's talk about the food, one of Gold Zanzibar's standout features. The resort has a main restaurant and the beachside Ocean Dhow Bar and Restaurant, offering a wide variety of dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. From fresh seafood and handmade pasta to flavorful curries, grilled meats, vibrant salads, and decadent desserts, every meal is a celebration. A special shout out goes to the margarita pizza at Ocean Dhow. So good that our family couldn't resist ordering one every single day for lunch. After a delicious meal, what could be better than exploring all the amazing amenities the resort has to offer? From the stunning pool overlooking the ocean, to the lively beach volleyball courts, to shaded play areas perfect for kids. Every part of Gold Zanzibar is designed for both fun and relaxation. The grounds are immaculate, spacious, and wonderfully private, so even when the resort is busy, it never feels crowded or overwhelming. But what truly makes Gold Zanzibar unforgettable is the people. Every staff member we met was warm, friendly, and eager to make our stay special. Whether it was help with our room, recommendations, or simply a welcoming smile, the hospitality here is unmatched. So if you're dreaming of soft white sands, calm turquoise water, incredible food, and a resort that feels like home the moment you arrive, our family wholeheartedly recommends Gold Zanzibar. It was the perfect place to stay, and we truly hope it inspires your next friendly family adventure. If you'd like ideas on how to spend your days exploring Zanzibar, be sure to subscribe to our channel and keep an eye out for our upcoming video. Thanks so much for watching.